As in InDesign, I'm gonna show you how to make proportional sketches. First thing I'm gonna do is Command N or File New, and I'm gonna make a poster that's 18 inches wide by 24 inches tall, and I would set the margins. You want at least everything to be within a quarter of an inch. I also want to go ahead and set the bleed up at you could do 0.25 or whatever your printer suggests. You could do 1/8 of an inch, but a quarter of an inch and 1/8 of an inch is all going to be fine. And I go ahead and set that stuff up. The next thing I do, this will be my actual document, so I'm going to go ahead and save. And this is my Say Something poster 2012. Okay. Save. Alright, so now the first thing I want to do is we definitely want to use our math. Here's my little reference points, and I like my reference point to be in the upper left-hand corner. Therefore, this point right here is 0, 0. It's 0 width and at the 0x, 0y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use those points to make everything. So I'm going to put this rectangle at, I'm going to go ahead and make it have a stroke of 1 point, and just need to make sure it's colored and it's black, so that's good. Now I want to move this and I want to make it the correct size. So I actually am going to go up here into the corner and I'm going to type 0 and tab down and 0, and you'll notice over here what's happening. I'm also going to, I know it's 18 inches by 24 inches, and everything else is going to stay the same, so I'll zoom out, and now you see I have one big, huge rectangle that's in the correct spot. So I really want this rectangle, I want to be able to do sketches, and in proportion sketches means I can't just open an 8.5 by 11 and it be proportional. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to hold the Shift key down and scale this so that it's going to be smaller so that I can make multiples. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to delete it, and I'll save my file, because now I can come back when I'm done with my sketches and start working on that thing, that poster. So 8.5 by 11 is fine because that's what my printer is, and so then I already have it in my in memory. So I did copy and paste, and I'm just going to paste multiples. I want to have some space around to actually work. So 4 on a page is good. I have some space that I can actually write in the margins if I want. So I'll just kind of put those in the middle. And now I have something that's much more user-friendly to actually sketch with. It's not a huge piece of paper, but it's big enough where I can take notes in the margins if I want. So this is my proportional sketches. You would do it for whatever size your actual document is. So here we go, proportional sketches, and save. Anyway, all we want to do is hit print, and we want to print these out, and it will print, and we will be able to do whatever we need to do. Now, as you can see, I have my printed proportional piece of paper where I can do sketches, and I use recycled paper, so I'm able to use more paper, and it doesn't matter, it's a sketch. So I will actually now draw whatever I'm doing for my sketch, and I'll be able to do whatever I need to do. That's how you make proportional sketches.